my name is Bryant Koshu and I am a concept artist. I was first introduced to Oculus Medium during the time when I was working on a VR game called Archangel. I didn't think much of it first other than play around. However, within 30 minutes of sculpting and exploring the different assets in Medium, I immediately realized how much potential this program has to offer and how it can translate to professional work. So, on the next game we worked on, which was Archangel Hellfire, I began using Oculus Medium as one of my primary tools for concepting and coming up with ideas with anywhere from mechs, environments, and actual details of the cockpits. The thing I enjoy most about Oculus Medium sculpting is that it feels very natural because of the speed and the fluidity. It's as if you're working with a real clay, but enhanced because of all the digital capabilities. And since you're in a VR space, you're not restricted to the traditional 2D canvas like how we're used to, but instead, with the 3D world, you can move around and observe as you move in the VR space. You are able to pretty much freely sculpt anywhere around you with no restriction of boundaries. I hope this tutorial can help you see the potential of Medium as well. I honestly feel it's the strongest tool to bring the artist in you. When you use Medium, your artistic vision isn't bounded by perspectives, lightings, and traditional 2D space. The natural motion and fluidity of this program allows you to push your designs to the next level. Another great thing is that Medium is probably the easiest sculpting program you'll ever learn. It's very user-friendly that even a non-artist can jump in and start creating stuff. Oh, did I mention it's free if you own an Oculus headset? In this tutorial, I'll show you some basic tools and tricks to cater the usage of Medium to concept art and video game pipeline. I'll also show you that concept art doesn't have to be only on a 2D surface. But most importantly, I'll show you to love Oculus Medium. Thank you.